How to set only admins can send messages in WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp group. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on the chat and you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. Click on three dots and go to group info, which is the first option. In here, scroll down and then click on group permission. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find send messages on second. Simply turn off send messages. After you have turned off send messages, you're good to go. As you can see, you'll be only able to send message as admin. And this is how to set only admins can send messages in WhatsApp group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.